Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You have the repo ready, so start by confirming the branch and that the latest commits are pulled. Once done, locate the folder or files that hold exam metadata. Look for names like exams/exam list, IML, or exams. JSON, because the index usually lives there. Make sure command line tools are available: Git for history, grep to search text, and JQ if files are JSON. Start with Git status to ensure a clean workspace, which prevents confusion when inspecting files. Now search the repository for the exam index. You can run git grep index, exams/ or grep r index, exams/ to find candidate lines immediately. If the metadata is JSON or YAML, use JQ. Exams ID, title file. JSON or IC to print ID fields so you can spot your exam number. Once you find a candidate, run git blame or git log ppath/ to /file to confirm the index value's commit and rationale, so you know it's authoritative and current. Finally, confirm the index matches the exam title, date, and any instructor identifiers so you don't copy the wrong number. Once confirmed, record it. You can tag the commit with git tag examindex ID commit hash or write the value to a local note with context. Push tags if needed. If you can't find the expected index, make sure you checked other branches and the upstream repository. If still missing, ask the maintainer and include the file path and commit you inspected.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.